Alrighty, welcome everyone. So today I'm gonna go through this Cmake tutorial. The description, I think I'm gonna put this link in the description below. So I've never used Cmake before, so today I'm just gonna go through this Cmake tutorial and basically try to learn um, this. So there's a archive here that you can download the zip folder. I've already downloaded it here. uh, and unzipped it. So let's go into that source. Okay. As you can see here, there's 12 steps. So I'm going to try to go through as much as I can in this video. Um, if it goes too long or I get too tired, I just might make another video and go with the rest of the tutorial. So that's basically it. Um, You can watch me do this, or you could basically do it yourself. But again, this is just for my reference. So we're going to start with Cmake. This step will provide an introduction to some Cmake basic syntax, commands, and variables. As these concepts are introduced, we will work through 3 exercises and create a simple Cmake project. Each exercise step will start with some background information. The goal is to list of helpful resources and provided. Each file in the Files to Edit section in step 1 directory contains one or more to-do comments. Each to-do represents a line or two of code to change or add. To-dos are intended to be complete in numerical order. First, complete to-do 1, then to-do 2. Getting started section will give you some hints, guide through the exercise. The build run section will walk step by step through how the build process and test the exercise. Finally, at the end, each exercise, the intended solution is discussed. Also know that each step in this tutorial builds on the next. So for example, starting code for step 2 is the complete solution step 1. Okay. Most basic Cmake project is an executable built from a single source code. For simple projects like this, Cmake txt file with 3 commands is all that is required. Okay, the upper, lower, and mixed case commands are supported by Cmake. Lower case commands are preferred and will be used throughout the tutorial. Okay, so that's good to know. You could mix it however you want. Any project's topmost Cmake txt must start by a specific minimum Cmake version using Cmake requirement commands. This establishes policy settings and ensures that the following Cmake functions are run with compatible version of Cmake. To start a project, use the project command to set the project name. This is required with every project and should be called soon after Cmake minimum requirements. As we will see later, this command can also be used to specify other project level information, such as the language or version. Finally, the add executable command tells Cmake to create an executable using specified source files. Okay, add executable. Yeah, let's just look through some of this. Where is this? Table of content, add library, add dependencies. Okay, so that's more. It tells you basically what it does. Policy settings. Okay. So I didn't really see what's going there. Files to edit. Okay, see my txt. Getting started. The source code is provided. Step 1 directory can be used to compute the square root of a number. This file does not need to be edited in this step. The same directory is a cmake list txt, which you will complete. Start with to do 1 and go through to do 3. Okay, build and run. Once you do to do 1 through to do 3, been completed, we're ready to build our project. First run Cmake executable or Cmake GUI to configure the project and build it with your chosen build tool. Okay, for example, the command line could navigate tutorial directory, make directory, okay, navigate to the build, make. Okay, so let's just go through, see what's all in here. Okay. Let me try to increase my font here. You guys can see. Okay, so we're in step 1, and I think we want to find the to-do, right? Okay, so actually there's 1, 2, 3, and that's all they want us to do. Set the minimum requirement Cmake to be 3.10. So let's txt. So set the minimum requirement version Cmake to be 3.10. So if we see here, let's see, make required is 3.10. Okay, yeah, let's make sure. Version minimum. Did we put version in there? Yeah, we'll see. Okay, to do 2, create a project named tutorial. So project tutorial, and then 3 here, add an executable called tutorial to the project. And it says every hint before, be sure to specify the source file as tutorial cxx. Okay. Add executable name, option sources. Okay. So I think, let's see, add and here. And then sources is okay. I think that's it, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Right, and quit this. And then make directory step 1 build. cd into the step 1 build. Okay, cmake step 1. What did I do wrong? Oh, okay. I think he's supposed to smooth the step 1 build here outside. So cd2 step 1 build, and then so this empty, so we call it cmake step 1. Okay, unknown argument. I should see what it says. Cmake install or command and requirement build tree Cmake options. So we probably have to put version in there. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, let's try that. Ooh, oops. I think that's right. Okay, let's do this thing again. Did it do it? Did it do it? Okay, configuring done, generating. Build files have been written to. Okay, and then Cmake build. Okay, linking executable. Okay, there's our executable. Number. Did it actually, is that really what it's supposed to do? Like here's what's in the make file. Oh, 180 targets. Tutorial number. Oh, usage. Okay. 3. Square root. Oh, okay. Square root. And square root of 9 should be 3. Square root of 81 should be 9. Okay. Looks like it's working. Okay, build. CD debug. Is there a debug? For multi-config generation, Visual Studio Navigator. Okay. So that's not in our case. In our case, it's just right there. So let's just do this for the video's sake. Oops. Okay. Solution. Guess we could check solution. Okay. There's the version. Did that right. Tutorial. We did that right. Yeah, we did that right. So specifying the C standard. Cmake has some special variables that are either created behind the scene or have meaning to Cmake when set by project code. Many of these variables start with Cmake underscore. Avoid this naming convention when creating variables for your own projects. 2 of these special user settable variables are Cmake's XX standard, Cmake's XX standard required. These may be used together to specify C++ standards needed to build a project. Goal, add a feature that requires C++ 11. Okay. So it tells me we should use these. Getting started. Start with to do 4 and complete through to do 6. First edit tutorial CXX. First edit by adding a feature that requires CXX. Then update. Okay. Let's see. Let's look for this guy. cd up, up. I want to. Actually, we still step. Yeah, that's the build. So wanna. Okay, to do 4. There we go. Okay, convert input to double. To do, replace array to float with standard. Okay. Okay. Let's do 4. To complete to do 5, simply remove the standard C library. Okay. So remove that. We need to explicitly state that Cmake code that it should use the correct flags. One way to enable support for specific C++ standard in Cmake is by using the C standard variable for this tutorial. Okay, to 11, and then required to true. Make sure to add Cmake XX standard above the call to add executable. Okay, so Cmake, yeah, this don't. Okay, to do 5. Okay, this to do 6. Set the variable. So 11. And then set this to true. So they said that, okay, so I guess it doesn't matter if that's big or small. Let's see. Do 4 click, show hide answer. Okay, I guess, yeah. Okay, let's see if we did this right. Oh, so this, we didn't use the set. Okay, so let's go back here. And, okay, so to set a variable, yeah, so you have to set it like that. Add version and configuration file. Sometimes it may be useful to have a variable that is defined in your Cmake list txt file. Also be available in your source code. In this case, okay, you would like to print the project version. Only way to accomplish this is by using the configure your header file. We create an input file with one or more variables to replace. These variables have special syntax, which looks like at signs at the end. Then we use configure file command to copy the input file to a given output file and replace these variables. Current value of var in the, okay. Define and report project's version number. project version number, project version minor, config file, target include directories. Okay. Continue to edit from step 1, start to do 7 through to do 12. Okay, so let's do to do 7 right here. Set the project version as 1. So set what's the project? For 2. Oops. And then we set the minor version. Wait, where's the minor version? Well, the minor, wait a minute. The major version should be 1, right? And then, what the heck is going on here? And then this should be 0, okay. It's more like it. Okay, to do 8, use configure to configure and copy into, I don't know, use configure file. To configure and copy tutorial. Config that each into. Okay, just gonna cheat here. See what this is supposed to be. Okay, so okay, to do 9. Use target include directories to include target include directories. Target include directories. Okay. That. I think that's it. Let's see if we did it right. Tutorial public. Okay. Include the tutorial directory, the public directory, project binary directory. And you want this in double quotes. Okay. Okay, to do 10. Where's to do 10? Mm, 10. Okay, define. Okay, how do you define it? Is it set or just define? What is this? Oh, H file. Okay, so okay. Let's see if we did that right. Define. Oh, yeah. So we didn't pay attention to this. Major, yes, that's the one we want. Minor. Okay. And then, yeah, then we want to do 11. Include. Okay. Why can't it find it? Is that not local? Oh, it's not there. But it should be there when it gets built, right? Okay. Guess I don't like that. Okay, well, give it a test. Okay. Yeah, okay. Finally, you print out the executable in the version by updating to do 12. Okay. Create a print statement using blah, 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 blah. Okay. How about here? That. And you just say version. Sure. Then we'll put a dot. Then we'll put another number. Yeah, then we should just end that one. Okay. Okay, it's complaining about that one. Okay. She did it the same way. Okay. 12. Okay, we made it all the way to 12. Now what? This is this one, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're done with that one. I think we just try to do it again. Script that. Huh? What happened there? Did I mess up and not save something? Which one? Nicholas TXT. Okay. Okay. And let's just build it here. No. Okay. And so can we just do make? Yeah. Target include director unknown command. So I think what we should do is remove everything here and start. What do we do? Cmake step 1. Let's go back. Okay, so Cmake step 1, and then you build. Okay, error 23. Okay, can't spell. Cmake step 1. Okay. Cmake build. And 99. Okay, it did not print what we wanted it to print. Tutorial config h. Ah. Well, it's here, but it's not on the, should be in this folder. Okay. Files. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it there.